Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 50 OMA in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to indicators. Click on it and type here OMA and choose this one, moving average exponential. Okay, click on it just one time. Okay, so this is our OMA. Let's make it a 50. Go to this arrow and choose this one, OMA, and click on the gear icon. Go to input and change this one to 50, like this. Go to style. We have here the color. You can change it if you want. So let's choose, for example, this color. And we have also the thickness. You can choose, for example, this one. After you finish, click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 50 OMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.